Morning, everyone. I am Charlene Agustin, and my presentation is about Bye Bye Balloon Travel and Tours. Mission: to be the foremost proficient and cheerful hot air ballooning operation in Philippines, a company that gives clear cars, welcoming and secure environment for staff and clients, regards community, and recognizes the commitment of all individuals and accomplices with whom we associated. Mission: to be prepared travel agency of choice in Philippines through our tourism services, to enrich the lives of everyone encountered, to build tour where people come to discover the magic of hot air ballooning. History. In 1994, 3 years after the devastating effects of the Mount Pinatubo eruption, Tourism Secretary Mina Gabor together with Korean businessman and hot air balloon pilot Mr. Song Ki-fik and British Airways General Manager Mr. John Emery and the German aviation enthusiast Max Moschmann engineered the first ever Philippine International Hot Air Balloon Fiesta to help jumpstart the local economy and spirit of the Central Luzon region with the commitment of developing hot air ballooning as an aviation sport in the country and making the Philippines one of the leading sports aviation and travel destination in the Asia-Pacific region. The 1994 event, originally organized by the Department of Tourism, the Hot Air Balloon Club, the Clark Development Corporation, and British Airways, initially begun with 21 balloons pilot from 10 countries and one entry from Philippines, represented by Captain Joy Roa, the only registered Filipino balloon pilot at that time. The success of the festival in 1994 brought about an increase in the number of participants in 1995 to 27 balloons, including a basketless one-man balloon and two entries from the Philippines. The 1995 festival also saw the introduction of ultralight dates to the events. Background: see the beauty of the Philippines. Famed chocolate hills in a different lights as this hot air balloons tours takes you to an aerial escape atop Bohol Island. Flying at a high altitude, you will be able to witness how the morning light touches the green landscape of the island, including its renowned mounts. This ride is an excellent pick for the adventure enthusiasts who love to get their adrenaline up and kicking, or for those looking for a unique romantic activity. This hot air balloons ride takes place before sunrise, so expect your driver to pick you up at your hotel at dawn. See to it that you are wearing comfy clothes and shoes on before departure, as you might have to walk to the takeoff sites where the trail can be a bit rocky and moist. Inspiration. It's a wonderful thing to be able to give someone the experience of a lifetime. At Bye Bye Ballooning Philippines, we've shared a sunrise with over 90,000 people in 25 balloons over as many years. And it never gets old. We're proud of our safety record and we care deeply about our guest experience. But for us, it's more about the people we meet along the way and the pristine natural playground we call our office. We rise before the sun almost every day of the year because we believe there's something magical about experiencing the world from the sky. Nothing excites us more than bringing out a childlike joy in adults and sense of wonderment in children. It's all part of a journey that's finished by 9 a.m. but leaves a lifelong impression. Our target market. Target market focuses primarily on tourists. Bye Bye Balloons will target above average income families and couples that are looking for a unique getaway. However, our model does not specifically target demographically categorized individuals. Psychographic factors play into our target market as well. Families. Bye Bye Balloons believe that families will be attracted to our business because children will see our advertising and want to participate in a thrill-seeking activity such as flying in a hot air balloon. Couples, on the other hand, will be attracted to our business because they can enjoy scenery from a romantic and relaxing perspective. Bye Bye Balloon believes this is the most effective target market with the economy rising because families and couples with above average households incomes will be urged to spend their increased disposable income towards valuable time with their loved ones. These are the examples of our target markets. Take a hot air balloon journey with your loved one across Bohol famous chocolate hills. Just an hour from Panglao Island, we rise with the sun and finish with a champagne breakfast. Indulge a tailored package offering the ultimate romance and exclusivity for a unique and memorable proposal that your loved one will be talking about for years to come. Proposal package includes exclusive use of balloons, private flight for just the two of you for approximately 1 hour. Your choice of plain red balloon or a red balloon with a "Will You Marry Me" signed up to the front. Your own private pilot and crew. Champagne on board your flights. Romantic champagne breakfast for two after your flight, a proposal that will never be forgotten. Just for 18,323 pesos, good for two. Uh, Family package tour. Treat the whole family to an unforgettable, kid-friendly adventure in famous chocolate hills. It includes overnight accommodation, a family room, balloon flight and champagne breakfast, dinner at a country pub. Just for 21,326 pesos, good for 4 to 5 packs. Our logo, the logo of hot air balloon represents feelings of social elevation, popularity, or fame. It is also foretells about you rising above a situation or other people. You are looking at a life in a more positive or confident way than the other people and you enjoy rising above your problems. Marketing materials. Social media, including Facebook and Twitter, are two of our major sites where Bye Bye Balloons can get our business promoted and shared within all demographics all over the country. Our websites allow customers to look at pictures of past rides, plans for an upcoming trip, or talk directly to one of our employees with a quick phone call. So that will be all my presentation about our travel agency. Thank you so much.